Okay, so we're going to be working on adding and subtracting integers. You guys should have already been doing this for a while in your math lab class, but we're going to go over it today. So again, this is what I expect you guys to do. So what I'm doing is I'm going to circle one number with one symbol so I can determine if there's same signs or different signs. So here I have a positive 4. Remember, when there's no symbol in front of it, we're going to assume it's positive. So this one's positive 4 and negative 3. So then here, I can write like a little T-chart, okay? So then this is my positives, this side is my negatives. I have my positive 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and then my 3 negatives, 1, 2, 3. So again, all I'm doing is I'm taking out a pair of each. So this is my first pair, this is my second pair, and this is my third pair. And then I'm left with only one positive. So this one would be positive 1, okay? So again, the thing that you guys have to remember is same signs you add, different signs you subtract, okay? You can also think about this as money. I have $4, but then you gave me the 3 that you owe me, and you only have $1 left. That's another way to think about it. Now going back to this one again, I'm gonna circle what's in front. Only one sign with one number. This one's a positive and a negative. Remember, same signs you add, different signs you subtract. So here there are different signs, so you're going to subtract and you're going to keep the number of, or you're going to keep whatever is left over. So you have $5, but you owe me 7, okay? So then what I would write is my negative 7 and my 5. So 7 minus 5 should give me 2, but again, my 7 was back here, so it should be a negative 2, a negative 2. So I can do the same thing if I were doing my T-chart, my positives and my negatives. I can have positive 5 over here, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to have my 2 negatives, 1, 2, or actually not 2, it's 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again, I cross out the pair. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then here I see I have 2 left over, right? My negative 2. So right here, my negative 2. You can also use a number line, right? So not only can we use this, but we can use a number line. So here I have my 2 symbols here, right? Same signs you add, different signs you subtract. So here we can have a number line that looks like this. So here I have 0, 1, and actually I'm gonna pause it and you guys are gonna draw your number line. All right, so here's my number line. Again, it says at first I have my two numbers. I have a negative 3 and a negative 2. Remember, same signs you add, different signs you subtract. So here I'm gonna jump to my negative 3 on my number line. So I'm gonna go negative 1, negative 2, sorry, negative 3. And then it says I'm going to add negative 2 more, so negative 1, negative 2. So here I have negative 5, okay? So my answer here is going to be negative 5. So then, oops, this should have been a 9 and my negative 5. So then now here, I'm going to have you guys do this one on your own. Remember, you circle both of them. Same signs you add, different signs you subtract. For this one is going to be a little bit different, okay? I have my 2 signs right here. I know I told you guys to circle your numbers. Before we do that, every time you see 2 negatives together, see how this kind of looks like a disconnected plus sign? So I'm going to connect them right here, okay? So I connect them right here, and now I have a plus sign. So here I have a positive 2 and my positive 4. So it's just the same as what we regularly did. And I'm going to have you guys finish that one. And this one right here, remember, this looks like a disconnected plus sign. I have this. So again, I circle what I have. And I'm going to have you guys finish this one right here. Okay? And move on to the next thing, the next part of your notes. Okay?